Hello student, this is Seema Singh, your SSC teacher. I will start our chapter 7 Natural Vegetation and Wildlife in Geography class 7. In the earlier chapter, we have seen what nature gave us in the form of land, water and air. The next most important gift of nature is the life around us, the life in the form of plant and animal world. So in this chapter we shall study about the various form of natural vegetation and animal life in different part of the earth. Natural vegetation. Natural vegetation refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by humans for a long time. Flora is the term flora is used to denote plants of a particular region or period, and fauna is used to denote the animal of a particular region. Factors affecting vegetation, land and soil. The nature of land directly influences the type of vegetation. The quality and type of minerals available also affects the potential for growth of plants, but the level of fertility of land is generally connected to agriculture. Different types of soil provide basis for different types of vegetation. The sandy soil of the desert support cactus and thorny bushes. Climate. Climate conditions are very important to support plant growth. Plants may not be able to survive in extreme cold or extreme hot and arid zones. The amount of rainfall and periods of rainfall as well as alternative source of water availability also have a major role in plant survival. Altitude. You already know that the level of oxygen and carbon dioxide is low in the altitudes of the earth. The trees here normally do not grow beyond two distinct line which is very visible. This line is called the tree line. Types of vegetation. There are three broad categories of vegetation and these are forest, grasslands and shrubs. Forest and wildlife. Tropical evergreen forest. An evergreen forest consists mainly of trees that retain green foliage all the year round. They are also known as tropical rainforest. These are generally found in the equatorial zone between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. These forests experience high average temperature and heavy rainfall. Tropical rainforest can be found in the equatorial zone of Asia, Africa, South America, Mexico, etc. The trees are evergreen as there is no period of dry weather and therefore they have no particular season of shedding the leaves. They are mostly tall and hardwood type. They grow in three layers: emergent, canopy, undergrowth. Hardwood trees like mahogany, rosewood, ebony, etc. Wildlife. The tropical rainforests are very thick and have a variety of wildlife. The most famous is the jaguar, which is now a protected animal. Tropical deciduous forest. These are also known as tropical monsoon forest. These are generally found in areas which get 70 to 200 centimeters of annual rainfall. These forests are characterized by shedding of leaves in dry summer seasons. They are found in large part of India northern Australia, and Central America. The wood from these jungles is good for construction and buildings. Teak, sal, shisham, bamboo are some of the trees found here. Wildlife: tigers, elephants, leopards, etc. Temperate evergreen forest. Temperate evergreen forests are found mainly in regions like southeast USA, South China, and coastal region of Australia. Temperate evergreen forests are characterized by their hardy trees. Wildlife: deer, fox, black bear, squirrels, and bats. Temperate deciduous forest. Temperate deciduous forests are found mainly in regions which get moderate rainfall and have cool temperature climate, as found in Western Europe, eastern part of USA, part of China, Japan, Chile, and New Zealand. Trees shed their leaves in dry season. It has four distinct seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Oak, maple, beech, and birch are some of the trees found in this forest. Wildlife: squirrel, birds like broadwing hawk, owl, woodpecker, also found in this area. Mediterranean forest. Mediterranean forest. The Mediterranean forests are found in the California, the Mediterranean basin, southwest Australia, central Chile, and the Cape province of South Africa. These forests have hot, dry summer and mild and wet winter. The growing season in the Mediterranean forest is short. Oak, olive, fig, pine, grapes, and orange are some of the trees found here. Wildlife. This area is not very rich in wildlife. Coniferous forest. Coniferous forests are also called taiga. They are found in Alaska, Canada, Northern Europe, and North Asia. Coniferous forests are located in the higher altitude. They are found in areas which experience long and severe winters. These forests provide softwood which is used for making paper, such as pines, firs, cedars, etc. Wildlife. Birds include woodpecker, owl, squirrel, etc. Grasslands. Tropical grasslands. Tropical grasslands are also called savannas. These are located between latitudes 5° and 15° north and south of the equator. They are found in the interior of continents in Venezuela highlands. Most Central Africa surrounding the Congo Basin, part of Mexico, and northern Australia. These grasslands are known by different names. In these grasslands, rainfall ranges between 100 and 400 meters a year. Wildlife. Elephants, giraffe, rhino, zebra, etc. commonly found here. Temperate grasslands. Temperate grasslands are found generally in the interior of the continents and north or south of the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Temperate grasslands do not have trees and shrubs. They are found in areas of very little rainfall. They are known by different names in different parts of the world, like veldets of South Africa, pampas of Argentina, steppes of Russia, etc. Wildlife. The common one are deer, dogs, grasshoppers, caterpillars, mice, rabbits, various owls, etc. Shrubs. Short and bushy plants commonly called shrubs grow in areas where the extreme weather conditions do not favor large scale growth of vegetation. Desert vegetation. Deserts are usually preserved as vast stretches of land with no vegetation. Many species of plants have adapted themselves to be able to survive in the harsh conditions of hot and dry climate that prevails in the desert. Wildlife. There are many species of animals which brave the heat and dry climate of the desert. The commonly found animals are the camel, blue bull, variety of antelopes, etc. There are variety of cactus, prickly pears, deserty, holly, etc. In India. Kikar and babul are commonly found plants in the desert. Tundra vegetation. Similarly to the extremely hot desert, the plants have also adapted themselves to survive in the extreme cold climate of the earth. Plant species are found in polar region and extreme cold regions of the earth, where temperature remain below 0 degree for most part of the year. The rocky land can only support low growing plants. Wildlife. The animals here have also adapted themselves to beat the cold temperatures. They have thick layers of fat in the skin to have thick fur. This helps them maintain the body temperature. Some animals found in these regions are seal, polar bear, penguin, etc. By now, you have seen that the earth has just about 30% surface which has land and rest has water. Plants and vegetation are vital to our survival as it is only these which produce oxygen which is essential for life. We should make an effort to spread the awareness that tree cutting and damaging green plants is not in our interest and we should grow as many plants and trees as possible. Thank you very much.